Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the motion lapse mode to create preset gimbal movement on the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. If you want to create a time-lapse video where the camera moves and pans by itself, I'm going to show you how to do it. First off, we need to enable the hyperlapse option, the hyperlapse shooting mode. Then we're going to scroll from bottom to top to open up this menu right here, and then select motion lapse. We have motion lapse right here, and then we can set the interval or the duration. As you can see, it says 10 minutes is 2 seconds, which is pretty quick. You can swipe even more to change the duration of the video yourself. You can do from 5 minutes all the way to 10 hours, so it's going to be standing there for a long time. You can also change the interval over here. Once you're done setting up all the settings, you can also change the resolution and the night mode. We can move on to the waypoints. Waypoints are basically like keyframes where you set up the camera's movement from point A to point B. Let's set that up. I'm going to use 2 points for this one. I'm going to enable screen always display so we actually see what's going on. As you can see, it says rotate gimbal and then tap plus to add waypoint. What we need to do is rotate the camera. We just need to place the camera in the first position that we want. I'm going to set it up something like this, and then I'm going to hit this plus icon right here. Just set up the camera where you want it to start, hit the plus icon. Then just move it however you want. I'm going to move it to this point and hit the plus icon again. As you can see now, it's like a check mark. What you can do is hit the icon on the right to preview how the camera is going to move. Keep the device stable and just click the icon. It's going to start moving slowly or however you set it up. What you can do now is just start recording. Hit the record button. It's going to start the recording. Let's just watch the camera movement. As you can see, I hit the record button and the camera is moving a little. Keep in mind that it's going to make really small movements depending on how long you've set up the video to be. I've set the video to be 5 minutes, so it needs to complete its whole route in 5 minutes, which is going to take a while. You can stop the video and still check it out whenever you want. That's pretty much how you use the motion lapse mode. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.